Welcome everyone, I'm Alessandro from Assembly Coffee, and today I'm here to talk about my 3 favorite things about the new Sanremo YOU를. Number 1, I love the steaming one because I have the same quality of a cafe racer, also with a cool touch technology, but in a size that I can fit in my kitchen. Number 2, it's a beautiful, iconic Italian style, a bit like me, with modern technology. And because of its design, it fits great in the home environment. Number 3, the pressure profile feature allows me to play with my coffee, try to find the perfect dial-in for each coffee that I'm gonna brew, and also I will be able to save the setting to repeat consistently over and over again. And for more information, head to the Sanremo UK website.